Every time a windstorm rolls in, some say it's more than just weather. It's the return of the death, the thing that rides the wind and waits to suffocate the living. They call it the suffocating wind. It doesn't howl, it whispers, curling around your ears like breath from something that isn't alive. It moves without warning, sweeping through cities and fields alike. At first, the air just feels heavier, then it gets harder to breathe. Some say it's not wind at all, it's a parasite. The more you inhale, the deeper it roots in your lungs. Survivors say you must stay calm. Shallow breaths, never speak its name, because if you do, it breathes through you, long after your own breath is gone.